if you're an accounting or finance professional, you probably have to deal with depreciating assets. So in this video, we'll show you Excel's 3 most important financial functions that help you perform the most commonly used methods of depreciation. So depreciation involves sort of writing off the cost of an asset. So let's suppose an item costs $15,000 and you're going to write it off over 5 years and the salvage value is $3,000. So you have to depreciate $15,000 minus $3,000 or $12,000. So there are 3 most commonly used methods for doing this: straight line, which I think is most common, double declining balance, and sum of your digits. I think double declining balance is second most used. And basically, straight line is really easy. You just take 1/5 of the 12,000 total you need to depreciate, 15 minus 3,000, and allocate it to each of the 5 years. And the function for that, this is straight line, and then the arguments of that are simply, I've given a range name, the cost, the salvage value, and the number of years. Now, if you want sum of years digits, how does that work? If there's 5 years, add up 1 through 5. That adds up to 15. Okay? So then the first year you take 5/15 of the 12,000, the next year 4/15, the third year 3/15, then 2/15, and 1/15. That's fairly easy to do without the function, but the function makes it easier. And so basically you would say sum of year digits, you've got a cost of 15,000, salvage value is 3,000, it's 5 years, and you need to have the period number here. That's the new argument. So that's E7 here, F7 here, so it knows to take 5/15, 4/15, 3/15, etc. Now that weights the depreciation most heavily in the early years, so that's more appropriate for something that becomes obsolete like a computer. Now double declining balance is by far the most complicated of the 3 methods. So basically what you do is straight line would take 20% each year. So double declining balance takes 40% in the following way. First year you'll take 40% of the total cost, which is 40% of 15,000, which is 6,000. So that will leave 9,000. So next year you take 40% of 9,000, which is 3,600. Okay, so now we've depreciated 9,600. We have 5,400 left. We take 40% of 5,400, 2,160. Now, then the 4th year, we take whatever's left to depreciate to make it total to 12,000, which is fairly complicated to write the logic for, but Excel's got that built in. In the 5th year, we don't take any. So then the arguments for that are what's the cost, what's the salvage value, number of years, and then E7 would be year 1, etc. Now factor, the default is double declining. Okay, it's assumed to be 2 if you admit it, but you can do, I guess, triple declining. I've never heard of that, but that's how it would work. So that shows you there are 3 nice functions in Excel to do depreciation. So that should really help the CPAs and financial professionals who are watching these videos.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.